Nomad set out to correct the biggest complaint about AirPods, and they've done just that in the best way possible. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from Apple Insider, and this is Nomad's new rugged case for AirPods. Made out of genuine Horween leather and available in both black and brown, this is an extremely thin shell that fits easily over your AirPods. The biggest complaint we see here at Apple Insider has always been the scratches that accumulate on the exterior shell of the AirPods. We see it in our video comments, we see it on the website, we see it all over the place. It's clearly something that irks people. That's why a few companies have started launching shells and cases for AirPods, but few are as nice and minimalistic as this one from Nomad. The bulk of the shell is made out of a TPU material that really is just covered in the leather. By doing it this way, instead of having stitching, it allows the shell to be a lot thinner, and it stays in place perfectly. We've even dropped ours a few times with the case on, and neither part went anywhere. We really like that it's a two-part system, one for the bottom, one for the top. We really were concerned at how that top portion would stay on, but it hasn't given us any issues at all in our testing. Clearly, you still have open access to the bottom, allowing you to charge your AirPods. If the new wireless charging case finally debuts, this should still work with wireless charging. There should be no issues there, considering it's the same materials used on the popular Nomad cases. Our favorite feature, though, has to be the fact that leather has the opposite property of the original AirPods case. Whereas the AirPods case looks more tattered over time and doesn't look good with all those scratches on them, the leather case will actually improve in its looks. Nomad's leather is minimally treated, so the more you use it, the more scratches that kind of show up on there, the more wear. It just develops a beautiful patina that looks like yours and no one else's. If you've happened to pick up anything else from Nomad recently, their mousepad, their phone cases, their watch bands, this all matches perfectly with the rest of their lineup, whether you go with black or you go with brown. For an added accessory for what already is your iPhone's accessory, it can be a little expensive. But we've seen so many people complain about this issue, and this being one of the most handsome and thin options out there, we're sure many people will love it.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.